These seagulls going batshit crazy over here. I don't know what their problem is. I don't know if they doing some kind of mating dance. I don't guess so, but I don't know what. They're kind of losing their shit, whatever they doing. Out here at the Biloxi Beach in Biloxi, Mississippi. I think today is July 8th, 2013, but I don't know. I've been on the road for about 6-7 days. I don't know where I am or what time it is. There they go. They're having a good time putting on the show. One just flew right by me. Right there. They flying real low. They flying and then as low as 4 or 5 feet and then landing. That's the beach I just came off of. So I was over here. That's where I took my pictures. Alright. I'm gonna call it a trip. Heading back to Montgomery to my folks' house and then back to Nashville.